Alrighty, let's take a walk. See, this is day 4, Isaac. Good use of electricity. 5 bucks. It'll be going off Monday. Sounds like a retard playing with a duck. Smells like shit down here.
Oh.
Hey, an electronic one. Yep. What the hell is that wire? Oh, it's a hose.
Did you see Josh's going there still?
No. Where's the... Oh, there it is. It's that gray thing right there. Just trying to figure out where the sound's coming from in here. Well played, school. Security alarm's tripping. We should call Tom right now. Hey, Tom, you don't want to come look at the middle school? Nothing major, but, you know.
Can you do this with your video camera?
What's
Just
that?
negative.
No, I don't. I think I can download an app on it. Fire extinguisher enclosure. What? What's up? It's like the newest one in the school right there. Nah. Little kids. Be like, did you guys pull this? There it is.
I'm like, you guys do this, and they're like, what, fool? Wait a second.
What up?
I was gonna take a picture of my dog. Shit. Josh isn't here on Monday, so I can show him a picture.
Wonder where the portable's not clacking. They probably disconnected when they moved them. Well played.
I bet on Monday those kids who were saying like all at school, when we first set off, they're gonna be like, yo, when you set off too long. It's gonna be perfect.
Whatever. It was Tim. It was Tim.
They'll be like, no, it's me.
Well.